doing great. This is Iran, and we are in the city of Shiraz. Welcome to an amazing walk in the tomb of Hafez. He was called Hafez because he memorized the Quran in his childhood, and since he was also a skilled fortune teller, he was known as the tongue of the unseen. This mausoleum was renovated and restored during the reign of Shah Abbas of the Safavid dynasty and the Zand period, but the current structure was designed by the French architect André Godard. The central tomb is 10 meters high with a dome made of copper, and the gravestone is made of marble with a height of 1 meter, on which beautiful poems are engraved. Each of the colors used in this dome symbolizes something. For example, the brown color symbolizes the earth, and the turquoise color symbolizes paradise. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please don't forget to like it. There are booths for photography with traditional clothes. The cost of renting clothes along with photos in different sizes is between $5 to $7. Iran has various ethnic groups with different traditional clothes. Are you also interested in Iranian traditional clothing? In his youth, Hafez worked in a bakery where he fell in love with a beautiful girl named Nabat, and for her sake, he worshipped for 40 days and nights at the Baba Kuhi shrine in Shiraz, and eventually he was able to marry her. In fact, his wife's real name was Nasrin, and because of her sweet words, Hafez called her Nabat. After his wife's death, Hafez remained single until the end of his life. For this reason, many mystics and lovers consider Hafez a symbol of true love. In my opinion, such love is admirable. What do you think about Hafez's love? Leave us a comment. Near the mausoleum, there are shops selling Iranian handicrafts, including termeh, wood carving, knitted items, and various traditional dishes. This beautiful book is also a collection of Hafez's poems, called the Divan of Hafez, which was composed over 50 years. The Divan of Hafez has been published more than 400 times in Persian and other languages around the world. My dear friends, which Iranian handicrafts do you like the most? Leave us a comment. It is interesting to know that Goethe, the German scientist and poet, compiled his West Eastern Divan in the name of Hafez and inspired by his thoughts. The surrounding area of the mausoleum used to be a public cemetery and the burial place of many great figures and noble families of Shiraz. If you like this video, we would be happy if you share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. The entrance hall of the mausoleum has 20 tall stone columns, but since 4 of the middle columns date back to the time of Karim Khan Zand, it is called the Four-Columned Hall. The 8 columns of the central tomb symbolize the 8 gates of paradise, as well as the 8th century in which Hafez lived. The 20th of Mehr, in the official Iranian calendar, has been named the Day of Hafez. My dear friends, thank you for being with us. If you enjoyed this video, we would be glad if you subscribe to our channel and wait for the next video. Goodbye.